Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix FaceTime number not activating. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and trying to activate your FaceTime, but you're facing the issue that your FaceTime is not activating you're using your phone number. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you can retry to toggle on or off your FaceTime by opening your settings here. Just go for the apps and here just look for FaceTime and you just have to retry to enable or activate or deactivate your FaceTime. Now here just scroll down and look for the FaceTime option. You just have to try to disable or enable it again up to 4 or 5 times to make a refresh or to fix the glitch if it have. So once you have done, you just have to check if it's fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so just go back, open your general section here. You have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Then you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Then go to your software update section and just try to update your software. Then go back and here just go to transfer reset iPhone. You can try to reset your network setting, but before you do that, you have to go to your date and time section and just make sure that you have selected your own time zone. Or you can also reselect if you want to, then enable this toggle again to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your network settings if there will be an issue with your iPhone network setting or with your iPhone network. It will be fixed in this app, so you will not get the issue again. So once you have done, you just have to reopen your settings app here. You just have to make sure that your Apple ID has been verified. So just tap on your Apple ID and you just have to make sure that all of these features or the options are working properly. There's no any grayed out function here, or you have to make sure that you haven't any this type notification of verifying Apple ID on the screen. If you might see, just try to verify your Apple ID, then try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so just try to contact with your carrier support. Just try to contact with them and ensure that your carrier allows international SMS, which is most required for activation. Or if it's allowed or you have activated, so you must not see the issue again. If you still face the same issues, you can try to wait for almost 24 hours because sometimes it might take 24 hours to activate your carrier support. Or you can also try to contact the Apple Support team to get official help. Now to do this, is simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can also use Apple Support web. Select iPhone from here, select this more option, look for FaceTime, select this, and here just wait for the loading, then tap on Get More Help, then tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.